Episode 4 of the G81 build. So if you don't know, you've been living under a rock, this M3 should not be here. So in the US, the M3 G81 Tourings were not released. So the guys and girls at R44, we put it on a lovely shipping container, sent it down to New York, it then went to Miami, and it started a big build where it got wrapped, air ride suspension, some Vossen wheels, some MHC carbon, and now we are in Chicago where we are just doing some crazy stuff. So episode 3, you would have seen, we did our full engine bay transformation with some beautiful pieces of carbon and some hardware. But today, it's episode 4, and episode 4 means something absolutely absurd. So we've got the Alpha N replacement roof. So BMW, they kind of just did the touring, they made it look pretty cool, but they left out a key part and heritage in the M3 family, which is a carbon roof. And Alpha N took that opportunity and said, look, we're gonna make a product out of this and make this crazy. So the guys at I&D said to me when I was talking to them about the build, they said, look, this is coming on the market, would you be interested in doing it? I said, of course, why not? So we've got it here, full replacement, the panel is bigger than me, it's finished in a gloss carbon fiber, it's got these two little kind of ribs of such that run down the middle of it, so that mimics the G80, G82 roof. And the guys here at I&D are going to do some absolute craziness. They're going to strip all the inside out. They're going to replace the roof, which is quite a big job. Seal it all back up, replace it, ready for MPAC. So if you're at MPAC today, this is going live on Sunday of the MPAC. If you're there, you're going to be able to see the beautifulness of this car, but more importantly, come enjoy yourself, watch the video. The car is going to be taking care of the guys behind us at Luminescence Detailing. They're going to PPF this roof, they're going to ceramic coat the wheels, the wrap, they're going to polish it and make it showroom condition for the guys at MPAC and the girls. But more importantly, I'm just going to get out of here, hand it over to the guys at I&D Distribution, and they're going to rip the roof off. What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I've completely lost my voice. I'm sunburnt, but we've just wrapped up MPAC. So our house is right there. We've literally pulled the car out. But as you can see, EP.4 now of doing the roof. So we've done I&D at the previous kind of revolution of build, which was crazy, done the engine bay. But the full focus of this video is gone on to the Alpha N roof, sorry. So, firstly I want to say a massive thank you to I&D. They've smashed out the park. They've installed this in rapid time. They've taken care of the clear lacquering, the installation, and there's not one rattle, there's not anything. So shout out to I&D and of course Alpha N for coming up with a genius idea. So I believe it's Alex at Alpha N. You're a legend. You made a roof with these two lines, and I think that is the biggest thing. Every comment today at MPAC was just about, wow, is a carbon roof cool? But because he's changed the design and made it look like the G8X kind of platform. It's cool, but yeah, I've lost my voice. I had an amazing day. As you can see as well, you got the SP2. So I've had an amazing day. We've showcased the car. We met some amazing people. We said the Dalal car as well. So another G81 here, out here. There's loads of cars that we had a photo shoot with some other tourings. Some amazing stuff has happened. But
As you look at it, it looks amazing. I hope you enjoyed this. We'll be back for episode 5, where we head to the West Coast for something very special.